It's not weed. This is not weed. So I'm going to show you my Philippine haul. These are the things that I bought in the Philippines and was worthy of suitcase space. So yeah, let's get on with it. So I got these liniera. These are the little mold that you put your leche flan in, and I needed something that I could use like individual portion, and yeah, this is what I got. And I got 2 of these, so I've got 12. It's a board. I wanted to use it as a charcuterie board. Is that how you pronounce it? I think that's how you pronounce it. Or you could use it for like antipasti, you know, just a cute board that you can use. And this costed what, 599 pesos. I have a few bags that say Cebu, Philippines. These are more of like a souvenir bags I can give to my friends and family. This one's a cute one. And I think actually we bought another one. My daughter's already using it because it's taken me so long to film. Got this in Cultura shop. You see them in like the malls. And I have been hunting for this because I've got a huge one, which I will show you later, but I wanted a small one, a small round one. This is a bilao. Bilao is, I think traditionally you dry things in, or you use it for like, to separate the palay with the rice. Palay is like the husk. You cannot do this. Yeah, we'll have to show you one day how to do it. But I thought it's a nice little prop for when I do take pictures of the food, of my food. And also if I have like visitors, it's a bit cute, like platters. This is a very important purchase. This is called a tabo. Well, not a tabo. This is called tabo. So this is used, you know, like to scoop water. You can use it in the kitchen, or you can use it in the bathroom for when you go number 1 or number 2, you know. And yeah, very, very useful tool. One very important one. Hang on. Ta-da! Yeah, I brought this all the way from the Philippines because you can't get them here in the UK. This is a palayok, and it's a clay pot. You can cook food in this, and unfortunately I've got a electric cooker, so I won't be cooking it on this. I will be cooking it on my portable cooker, because that's a gas cooker, and it came with a lid, which is very cute. And this cost me 300 pesos. Maybe I could haggle it down, but I didn't feel like I wanted to haggle it. So that's pretty good. I'm going to put this safely on the side because I don't want to break it. This is not weed. This is malunggay. This is very good for you. It's moringa. Dried moringa. Got a massive bag this time. So if you want some, I can score you some. Good for tinola, when you do munggo, sinigang, any Filipino soup really, this would be a good addition. There you go. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, we are totally obsessed with these. This is tocino danggit. And it tastes so nice. I would take it out. Smells very fishy, but so good. So good. Even my kids eat it now. Yeah, I know, crazy. And what else do we have here? Oh, this is corn. This is corn. crushed corn. I use it for like porridge, and I thought I wanted to use it as alternative to rice. I'm really looking for alternatives to rice, but you can't take rice away from me. That's what we figured out. Some noodles, big size. This is large size noodles. Usually you get the small packet and it's like, it's not enough. Oh yeah, this is how big it usually comes. I don't know why we got this. I think it was extra in the house. And we thought, oh, we'll just bring it to London. Why not? And I think some of these are ingredients that was going to be used, but we didn't get to use it. Got some polvoron. As you can see, it's been opened. I'm like, no, don't eat it yet. I haven't done a haul. But this is the polvoron. This is the original one from Goldilocks. Some macaroons as well. As you can see, it's already been opened. It took me so long to do this for the video. If you love macaroons, you know this is good. We were gonna have this as a snack on the plane, but definitely didn't open it. Ice candy bags. So in the summer, I can make ice candy. What's ice candy? It's a frozen pop. Like, what do they call that here? Ice pop. Yeah. So in the summer, I'll be making some ice candy. Woohoo! Tell me which one's your favorite ice candy flavor, and I'll make it for you. And I'll eat it in front of the camera for you. Alright, look, I went nuts on Tang. Look, I got this flavor, strawberry, pineapple. Yeah, enough to make a shop. What else I have? Oh, mango. Got mangoes. Mango flavor. This is green grape. Green? No, let's just say it's grape. It's grape flavor. And what's this? This is calamansi flavor. Calamansi flavor. Okay. Which one's your favorite flavor? Do you know what? I could actually mix this and make it as a ice candy and add it in here. I got Mr. Gulaman. I mean, you could get them here. I should have got plenty more actually. I don't know why. Why? I just got one of each. But Mr. Gulaman is jelly, Filipino jellies. This is buko pandan, so it's green, like coconut. This is just a red color, but it's flavored. This is flavored. Nagaraya, it's peanuts, crackers, barbecue flavor. Actually, we were gonna have this as a snack on the plane, but we didn't get to eat it. I got the corned beef. How much was this? I think it was like 40 pesos. And you buy this here for like £4. £3, £4. You're nuts. More polvoron. This is assorted actually. It's got lots of different flavor. So you've got ube. What's this one? Cookies and cream. And guinea pig, I think. Yeah. Guinea pig. Last but not the least, I bought some chocolate. This is like Filipino chocolate. I got it from the market in Makinhas in Baybay. And you make sekwate with this, which is hot chocolate. Yes, you pour the hot chocolate in the also one. That's our Philippine haul. Did I buy anything else? Did I buy anything else? No, I think. Oh, yes, almost forgot. I bought some tandawai. That's the back. This is the front. This is Philippine rum, dark rum. Got some Alfonso Light. Why light? I don't know. I don't drink this. Adrian likes this one. This is Ginebra San Miguel. These are not sponsored, by the way. These are just things that I bought. This is Filipino gin. And my plan was to add this to this. Yeah, that should be good. Make it into a cocktail. Yeah. I think that's it. That's all I got. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Press the... what's that thingy button? I don't like doing this. If you like this video, subscribe. If you don't like this video, don't subscribe. But if you like this video, please subscribe. If you like this video, please subscribe. Press the bell button so you get notified when I have a new video up. And comment. Tell me which your favorite flavor. Tag. What else did I ask you earlier? I asked for loads of things.